Welcome back to my channel, Teacher Genevieve. Today I want us to, all my viewers, I want you to go to comment section and tell me how you've been faring. If you have gotten any value in my teaching. So go to the comment section and maybe suggest a way of improving or the value that you have gotten, and also indicate where you are watching from or where you are listening from. So today we go back to unsaturated fats. In our previous lesson I told you saturated fats are made up of single bonds. So they're made up of single bonds and they're very stable. They're solid in room temperature. But unsaturated fats, they're liquid in under room temperature because they have double bond, and that double bond can, it's a factor that can make it to bend. It can make it to take any shape. That's why it is liquid at room temperature. So today I want us to look more closely to this unsaturated fats. These unsaturated fats have cis and trans isomers. Isomerism is a situation where a molecule can have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So let's look at the diagram closely. This one is the cis unsaturated fats. If you look closely, you discover that at the double bond here, the two hydrogens that are attached to carbon to carbon double bond are on the same side. So when the hydrogen or attachment are on the same side, this is called cis isomer. So they are the same compound. So, but if you look at the second one, this one is trans. When the two hydrogens atoms that are attached to carbon double bond, when they are on different sides, you look at this one is up, this one is down. It's trans isomer. This compound, they are the same molecular formula, but because of the structural formula, they are no longer the same. So I will talk about trans isomer, but today let's look at this unsaturated fat. We are looking at the cis isomer, the one that has two hydrogen atoms on the same side, the one that is liquid. I will talk about this later, why this one is different from this. So what are the health benefits of this unsaturated fat? Unsaturated fat, the cis isomer, lowers LDL, low density lipoprotein cholesterol. It also reduces they reduce inflammation. Inflammation is when you redden part, maybe you can hit your head on the wall or something. You see that the thing, there will be inflammation. You see the thing will just swell. So this one, unsaturated fat, reduce that. Unsaturated fats support brain development. They improve heart health, unsaturated fat, and they strengthen immune system. So this unsaturated fat, we are advised to eat more of foods that contain unsaturated fats. And to increase the unsaturated fat in your diet, what are the food that you can eat to increase unsaturated fats? You were advised to snack on nuts and seeds. All these peanuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seed. You snack more on nuts and seeds. And then use nut butters instead of butter or margarine. That is peanut butter, all these other nut butters. instead of margarine or the other butter, or you can get from animal fat. We advise to cook with plant oil. Plant oils like olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. We are advised to replace red meat with fish or lean poultry. Replace red meat, that is, limit the amount of red meat we consume, and then eat more of fish or lean poultry like chicken and all that. Trim the fat, and then limit processed food, highly processed food like hot dog, sausage, bacon, all those highly processed food. We need to limit on that. Then eat more. We should eat more of fruits, vegetables, and whole grain. Whole grain, like I said before, is a grain that has three parts: the endosperm, the brown, and the germ. While the refined one is the one that has only endosperm, like rice. We should reduce white rice and the other pastries and the flours and all that. And then we have to eat high fiber food. High fiber foods like beans, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and others. And as we do this, we find out that we will gradually, we gradually, this unsaturated fat will, we reduce this cholesterol that is a monster. So it is very important for us to eat food that is more of unsaturated fat than saturated fat. So if you get value or understand anything, or you want to ask questions, drop your comments. Drop your question or your suggestion in the comment section. You can also like, share, and also subscribe, because we have very many important teachings that will benefit you. Subscribe so that whenever new video is dropped, you get it. Thank you for listening.